I'm going to explain to you why simply writing "I don't own the rights to this music" on your post will still get you sued. And we're going to start right now. What's up guys, thank you for taking the time to watch my video. If you enjoy it and want to see more like it, be sure to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss a thing. So we've all seen those posts where people play that popular song that they don't have a license for. Like most of us, they can't afford the ridiculous amount of money it costs to license that song, but it jives so well with their content that they use it anyway and write something along the lines of, "I don't own the rights to this song" as a disclaimer. Despite popular belief, that doesn't protect you from copyright infringement. If anything, it's a direct admission of your intentional infringement on that material's or song's copyright. It's like doing 90 miles an hour in a 30-mile-an-hour zone, and instead of just not doing it, you roll down your window and shout out, "I don't own the rights to be speeding where I shouldn't be speeding." You're just acknowledging that you're doing something wrong by doing that. You're not going to somehow be protected from prosecution for copyright infringement by stating the obvious. It's better to just avoid it altogether. Now, there are exceptions to this under fair use. Fair use allows us to use copyrighted material for transformative purposes. In this context, the term transformative is characterized by commentary, parody, or criticism of another person's work. Let me explain. If I wanted to comment on some scenes I saw in a movie as a critic, I could show you clips of those scenes from that movie that are relevant to my critiques and be protected under fair use. If I wanted to review a new book or article written by a popular author, I could quote and summarize that person's work and be protected under fair use so long as I don't claim it as my own. Say I wanted to make a parody to a popular R&B song. Well, I'm actually allowed to copy that song's original instrumental so long as I make all new lyrics that parody the original and be protected under fair use. Weird Al Yankovic is a prime example of people that do just that with songs like Amish Paradise and Eat It. Now, fair use is a pretty broad subject that is open to interpretation, so make sure you're well informed on what your protections are before you go messing with other people's work. Now, instead of writing pointless disclaimers on music that you're not allowed to use, you can use all kinds of great music that you are allowed to use through licensing. Say you're a real estate agent and you regularly make content to engage your community with, and you want to boost the interest to that content by incorporating great music. But you don't want to have to worry about copyright infringement on varying platforms like Google Ads, Facebook, Instagram, and so on. Well, there are a number of great companies that offer a solution to that where you can license tens of thousands of songs over a bunch of genres as much as you want for as long as you want without worry of copyright infringement anywhere. An example of a company that I use is Artlist. Artlist is a music licensing company that lets you license their entire library of thousands of songs for one affordable yearly price. I use them for every video project, whether it's for personal or professional use. Licenses are good forever, and they also cover use by companies or individuals you make paid content for, which is a huge benefit for me being an independent filmmaker that makes promotional content for varying businesses. They add new music almost daily, and they also give a free sound effect package every Black Friday, which is a nice bonus for your buck. If this interests you, I left the link above where you can sign up and also get 2 months of free access because I sent you. And that's it. I hope you found this video informative. If you did, be sure to share with friends and tag that one friend that doesn't own the rights to this song to hopefully keep them out of trouble. And as always, from one creator to another, thanks for watching.